Yes.
One. First of all, I'd like to thank you, sir, for accepting my request to interview you.
Okay. Welcome.
Sir, would you like to tell me something about yourself and your career?
Dr. Kumar Zola, advocate. I'm practicing since 2004 in Delhi. Different court of Delhi, like Supreme Court, High Court, the court panels, all across all tribunals, including CAT, NCLT, etc. I'm also on panel of government senior the ITBCC.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Sorry, sir. Sir, my network was a bit wobbly. Sir, can you please repeat? Sorry, sir. Sorry for the discomfort.
I am Dr. Kumar Zola, advocate. I have done my LLB from Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, BHU. After that, I have enrolled myself in Delhi State Bar Council in 2004. I am practicing in the Supreme Court, High Court, all tribunals situated in Delhi. Apart from Delhi, I am also used to go to Kolkata, Bombay, Bangalore, etc. All different High Court, different tribunals, arbitration. I am also I'm on panel of I am senior central government council. Central government means government of India advocate, arbitration, Delhi High Court. Apart from that, I am also on panel of ONGC, ITDC, ONGC Limited, ITDC, NBCC, Inland Water Authority, NRDC, MCD, Railway. I'm looking cases of all PSUs and government bodies.
Sir, you
My
have a
chamber
very
is in High Court.
wide. Okay, so you have a very wide range of career, as you know, as you told me. Uh, sir, the first question that I want to ask and is that what is the change that you want to see in the Indian judiciary right now, and what are the changes that you need to see as a lawyer in the Indian judiciary?
Because Indian judiciary, we are inherited by the England in system, because we are our IPC and everything drafted in early 1819, early 18, and we are adopting that process. But nowadays, due to specialized law, specialized nature of cases, we have not changed as required. And because nowadays, due to globalization, due to market spirit, all countries are coming, India, seeing India, and nature of cases is specialized right now. Earlier, the cases were only civil, criminal, but now corporate, different IPR, intellectual property right, tribunals, arbitration. So you have to change accordingly. Our Indian judiciary not change themselves as required. In terms of infrastructure is concerned, our infrastructure in court is not up to date. It is very low in district court, not in Delhi, but apart from all India. All India, because government are not in, giving so much finance to judiciary, so it requires lot of finance, lot of technical staff, lot of modernization is required. So for a shortage of trained staff, court staff, judicial officers, high court, this is huge vacancy yet to fill due to ratio of due to increasing day by day population and people awareness. So many litigations is coming day by day, and because our judges are not able to dispose such type of so much cases. So you have to require the trained staff, modernization, digital library, and vacancies of to fill vacancies of judges of lower court as well as high court and Supreme Court, and different tribunals. So we required to fill that, so that we can dispose of cases in short way and short term, uh, because justice delayed is justice denied. So
Yes.
nowadays we are seeing cases is pending since long time. Clients are litigants are coming and they are waiting for justice to 20 to 30 or 40 years. But this is not good. We have to adopt so many recommendations are recommendation of law commission. Also, we have to learn from other countries how other countries judicial system are working. We have to amend ourselves. We have to incorporate good things of the Western country and other country which is judicial practices. So accordingly, we requires this type of.
Okay. Uh, Thank you, sir. Sir, the second question is that what is your most important learning in life that you want every newcomer in the law field or any layman needs to have in his mind before starting his career?
So for learning is concerned, learning starts from a person learns from his or her birth till death. So learning process is continuous process. So far as learning concerned in judiciary field and newcomers, we have to nowadays due to nature of cases, the cases are specialized, cases are technical, cases are so many complexities. So we have to complex in nature. So we have to specialize ourselves. Generally, advocates of newcomers are not specialized. And here main thing is because your base only legal knowledge or what taught in university colleges, it is just a base. But here on that base you have to be practical approach. Here you have to be practically sound, hardworking, honest towards yourself, towards your client, towards the judiciary, towards judges, and we have to prepare our brief, prepare our case file in a minutely manner so that we can present our cases before court, and accordingly we can help in delivering justice. Because as advocate is also officer of the court. As you know, the Supreme Court has said that officers are committed, but we are not just we are here to assist court to deliver in delivery of justice. So we have not to be party. We have not to say no, I have to win the case by hook and crook, because we are not even just we are in process of judiciary. So we have to justice. We are part of the court. So we have to try to take truth to extract truth in the cases. So this is my request is to all the newcomers should come with enthusiasm, with hard working, and specialize themselves so that they can better. They can do better in court.
Okay. So what sir, my last question for you is that what is the message that you want to convey to the next generation, means the upcoming generation?
Coming generation should be sound, should be educationally, should be legally sound, should be honest towards your client, towards yourself, and hard working is essential factor. Here, as generally we are seeing that no hard newcomers are afraid for hard, not working hard. So you have to. This is very hard job. And you have to do hard. If such, if you are coming with the hard work, honesty, technically to use modern, especially modernization of technology, because nowadays after Corona period, you've seen so many court is digitized. Now earlier this is new for India, not for the in Western
Yes.
countries. We used to use that platform. But in India, we are adopting such a platform during COVID time. So you have to modernize, you have to modern yourself, you have to honest, you have to hardworking, and it's enthusiasm you have to come in the board. This is my message for newcomers.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time to me. And thank you again to helping me to complete my internship.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.